Well, this has been fun. This is the Zordin brand scrubber. We've used it everywhere. I'm going to kind of show you some places around the house where we have used it. I think when I first started, my thought was I'll clean the sink, I'll clean the toilet. What else can I clean? As you'll see, the more I looked around, the more I found things that you can clean with. So it does exactly what you think it's supposed to do. It runs at 3 different speeds, 800 rotations per minute, which is low, and then medium, which is 1,000 rotations per minute, and then high, which is 1,200. I ran a lot of the times actually on low or medium because high was just so fast. And since I was filming with one hand while I'm recording and scrubbing with the other, it was hard to keep control of the thing. So when you have 2 hands at use, there's actually a little handle you can use as well. When you have 2, maybe the high is a little bit easier, but I'm just telling you, it did everything I needed it to do with like medium to low speed. So anyway, you can see here done the tile on the tile floor by the shower, toilets, sinks. I'll take it outside here in a little bit, clean the stove top here in a little bit too. But all in all, it just does the job. There's like, I don't know, close to 10 different attachments you can put on it. And so I was trying to use all of them just to kind of show you, but it just really does a great job. Okay, yeah, this is a task that like, I hate doing this, but this one little scrubber here did not damage my new stove glass top. And I just put some of that detergent there and just went to town, and it cleaned it just as good as you possibly could hope for. So you'll see all that. So all in all, I think the highlights are, number one, it's pretty affordable. I see a lot of the retail prices are kind of high, but there seems to always be an affordable option. This is fantastic at that price point. So anyway, it's affordable. Just gets the job done. I did all this filming and even filmed some things twice because I kind of lost some audio and messed up here or there and needed to go back. And when I was done with all of it, the battery was still pretty high. I can't remember if it had 2 green bars left or if it was 3. I'm not sure. But anyway, this thing ran a long time. Here we are again outside. I was thinking, I wonder if we could do it on the car. It did. Right here, you can tell I'm going at high speed, I think. And it's just like hard to control, so I have to dial it down. What else can I tell you? You can break it down. You can have it long, or you can like break it down and take the middle pole out so you make it shorter. That handle, when you take the middle part out, you lose the handle, but that actually kind of is nice to get into smaller spots. Probably my favorite use of it was at the pool, and you'll see that on the tile here in a little bit. But this little attachments here, really smooth, really good on the glass, really good in the crevices, doesn't damage anything. Yeah, really pleased with it. Let's keep watching a little bit. And this one right here. Okay, so calcium builds up in our pool. It's typical. And this scrubber just ate right through it. So the other cool thing is the bottom portion where it kind of pivots and swivels. That bottom portion is waterproof from that black circle that you see right there down. I was actually letting water come up even higher on it. I feel like it's water resistant above that as well. And man, I just jumped in the pool and just went around the entire tile surface. It was just really good. So again, the point is, like, you may not have a pool, you may not have a tire to clean, but the point is it just does a lot of stuff. And once you know you have a tool like this, it saves your back, saves your knuckles, saves your forearms, a lot of work. And so now when I'm just going through life, daily stuff, I just keep finding new things to do. And so that's kind of the point of a tool like this. So, all right, here I am again, just throwing water on top of an old dirty table that we've got out there, and sure enough, it cleaned it. Do I have to have a scrubber for this? No, but the point is, like, you can scrub everything. It's really been good. The company did reach out to me. This is Zordin. They have a couple other cool little products as well. They reached out, said, would you like to try this out? I was kind of intrigued by it, and sure enough, it was pretty cool. So tried it and happy with it. Again, the price is right, especially when you get some of the discounts, and super easy to install, super easy to just, there's a bag carrying case that you can keep everything in to keep it all organized, lots of different attachments. Cleanup is really easy. Yeah, it's great. All right, so they did send it to me for a review. This is my review. I like it. Now I'm going to unbox it for you and then just kind of show you, all the parts, all the accessories, because it really is, there's quite a bit. And there's 2 batteries, by the way. And like I said, I ran this entire thing and more on 1 battery, and it wasn't even dead yet, and you have 2. So really impressed with that. That's the part where I thought it might not hold up, but it did. So anyway, you can watch the unboxing. Hope this helps. It's just very versatile, and it's getting the job done. Have a good day.